everybody, it's Seth Jones, editor-in-chief of Golfdom magazine. I'm out here at Torrey Pines for the U.S. Open, being joined by Rich McIntosh. He's a senior superintendent at Torrey Pines Golf Courses, and he's not too busy right now, so I thought, Rich, if you got time, you want to do a quick 19th hole interview with me?
Got a few seconds.
Let's do it. Let's see if we can knock it out real quick. After 18 holes or a U.S. Open, what can I get you to drink?
Glass of bourbon with a large ice cube.
That sounds great. So tell me about your golf course.
It is a large property, and it sits in one of the most scenic views I've ever been around. And you know, jets flying over. It's a unique property and unique office.
Okay, great. Let's get to know you. You got a family?
I do not. Single, and you know, I always say my girlfriend, my wife, is a golf course.
Okay, I got that. You worked in England for a little bit. What's one thing that you could get there that you can't get here that you miss?
Oh, that's a good question. I think it was just a little. There's the differences in the food. Man, it might be the fried prawns that we had for lunch almost every day.
Okay, that sounds good. What's your favorite tool in the shop?
Knife. Use it for everything, mainly for checking firmness of greens, but you know, I feel lost if I don't have it in my pocket.
What's the best advice you've ever been given?
Be patient, put in your time, and if you put in hard work, good things will come.
Okay. Are you excited to have fans out for this U.S. Open?
Yes. After a Farmers with no fans, it's going to feel good to kind of get back to somewhat of a normal tournament. Yep. What
about the crew? What kind of challenges have you guys had in terms of the COVID year and getting ready? Has that been totally weird, or is it getting back to normal?
It's been difficult. You know, it had to be extremely flexible with an ever-changing environment. You know, day to day, hour to hour. It's kind of slowly getting back to normal. We're trying to figure out what that normal is again, because it has been so long.
What part of the golf course are you most excited about for this U.S. Open?
Greens, being able to push them and get them firm, which we struggle with the weather during the Farmers. So being able to have a firm golf course, but mainly firm greens that are going to give them fits.
We're shooting this on a Monday before the tournament. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's your energy level? 10 being the highest, 1 being I'm starting to drag.
I have my moments. If I'm not going and we're out doing maintenance, I tend to crash a little bit, but find little things to pick me up throughout the day.
Has there been a funny moment yet leading into this U.S. Open that you realize it gives you a break in time, or is it all serious business?
Oh, I mean, the guys that we have out here, I mean, Paul B. and Chad and Ramina and Matt Morton, I mean, a lot of great guys have come out and they've kept it lighthearted, and you know, when I get frustrated, they are able to pull my mind away and make me laugh. So, you know, help me enjoy the moment and not get too tied up with little things. 2
more questions and I'll let you get back to it. After the tournament's over, what's a good place to celebrate that you guys like to hit, and what are you gonna like? Why do you go there?
My spot's Jake's. It's just up the street in Del Mar. I like to sit at the bar. It's right on the ocean. You know, look out the window, see the sunset, see the waves crashing, and good people, good bartenders, and great atmosphere.
You're no stranger to hosting tournaments, but it's the U.S. Open. Are you able to enjoy it right now? How are you feeling?
Let's get to Thursday. Work out all the kinks, get maintenance going, you know, be a little bit more predictable, and get rough mowing out of the way. And then I think once we get to Thursday, balls in the air, and be able to enjoy it.
Sounds great. Rich, thanks for coming on the 19th hole. Good luck this week.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Hey, everybody, this is Rich McIntosh. I'm Seth Jones. We're out here at the 2021 U.S. Open. Thanks for watching Golfdom TV.